Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share and also make your comments. Would love to watch out for it. So let's start with this trend before we actually take this trade, right? We would want to know the trend. We all know that markets give us three movements. Today is giving us an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging market move. So you can clearly see that this price currently we are having a downtrend move, especially when you zoom it out on the monthly time frame. You can see the full trend, a downtrend move. So let's start with this movement from here. This movement started in 2021. We will say early 2021, right? So from here, we can see that this price was on a bearish move. It was giving us a downtrend move. I wanted to know previously we were going lower, we were having a lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You can also see that this price is trading below this 10 period simple moving average. Now you know that once your price is trading below the 10 period simple moving average, then all what you want to do is actually go for a setup or a position to go ahead and sell, right? That is what Euro USD was actually giving us. And during this time, right, during this period when Euro USD was dropping, USD or DXY, as you can see, it was actually giving us a bullish move. During that time, majority of all our peers we were trading to USD was actually falling. Anyway, price has now corrected itself. We are no longer trading below this 10 period moving average. We are now trading above it. So basically, this price we are now on an uptrend move. So this movement started October last year. In the month of October, we had a bullish move. We actually opened and closed bullish in the month of October. Also in the month of November, we had a bullish move. We opened and closed bullish. In the month of December, as you can see, about last year or last month and whatever, we actually had a bullish move also. We opened and closed bullish, and now we are in the month of December, though we are kind of dropped, which is kind of like a pullback. Anyway, price has now given us a bullish move. But I say fortunately, or like call it unfortunately, we will continue to have more bullish move. We can see the news that has been released about our CPI. It is not good enough. I believe I was expecting, the CPI news. I said it before that I was expecting it to actually come out positive. As if it comes out positive, then we will start having strong movements on our DXY or USD, right? But it did not come out positive. So with that, I believe more drop is to come on our USD. So watch out for a bearish move, more bearish move on DXY, more drop. Anyway, let's get back to this. We can see that now this price is now trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So whatever you would want to do is actually go ahead and take your buy movement. So let's see if we would have a pullback at this level. I don't really sure, because this price is at a crucial level. You can see that this level price has once reacted to this same level here. Also once had a rejection, a reaction at this level whatsoever. So this level is actually very, very crucial. So we should watch out for a level. There might be a pullback this week. There probably might be a pullback. We don't really know, but I know a major pullback is coming, and I can't really say it. Be it this week or next week, we'll be having it. But let's see. That should now take us to the forward weekly time frame. Sorry. So, so this is weekly time frame. Before we actually take the trade, we would want to ask ourselves one question: what is the trend for that movement? You can see that this movement we are on an uptrend move. So previously it was trading below this 10 period moving average. Previously it was below this moving average, but right now price is now trading above the moving average, and we are now broken above this moving average. We are trading above it, so it is an uptrend move. So we would see this to be an highs. Then this will be taken to be a correction, a new highs wave from there, and you take a look at this to be a correction, then a new highs wave from there. You can now take this to be a correction, right? See this as a new highs, a correction as it played out here. So this is a new highs. So since this highs is at a crucial level, there are two ways this Euro USD will very much likely play out. I want you to pay attention. It's either this week that we are predicting for, this Euro USD will give us a bearish move, thereby price will drop. Once it drops, we will continue to go bullish. right? Or this Euro USD will actually break out of this level that it's currently at, breaks out of it. Once it breaks out of it, then a pullback will play out before it continues that bullish move. So above all, this Euro USD will continue the bullish move, but the pullback can happen in two ways. It's that it can happen this way, this week, whereby a pullback will be made on Euro USD, then price will continue to go bullish, or price eventually can break this ice, then give us a pullback to test it before it continues to go bullish. Anyhow, as price plays out this week, I'm going to update you. Make sure you actually subscribe. Stay watch. I'm going to give you an update if there's anything you have to know. I'm going to let you know about that. So that is it. Euro USD, we are still speculating a bullish move, and we are still trading above this 10 period simple moving average. That should now take us to the daily time frame. So you can see the daily time frame, like we said, before you place your trade. One question you would want to ask yourself is the trend for that movement. Is it an uptrend move? Is it a downtrend move? Or is it a ranging market move? So what we are having here on this Euro USD is actually an uptrend move. So let's see this movement like this. So we will take a look at this to be an higher ice, and here to be a correction, right? A new ice being formed here, and here comes to be a correction, a new ice, right, being formed, and a correction here. Kind of, price kind of gives like a double top here. Anyway, it does not really matter. Then a new ice has been formed. You can ask that this new ice has actually taken this previous ice. Right, this was the previous ice level, right? So a new ice has been formed. Of course, we need to watch out for a correction, which is actually playing out. We can see on Friday this correction played out. Is this correction over? Where I don't really think so. Let's see if maybe more correction will play out, because I can't really tell if this correction is over. I don't want to really tell, but I think more pullback needs to play out before we continue the bullish move on Euro USD. Like I said, once the market opens and once the market starts playing, I'm going to give you guys an update. If the pullback is over, if it is not over, I'm going to let you all to know. But I think more pullback needs to play out and continue the bullish move. Above all, we would be making a bullish move on Euro USD. More bullish movies to come. Watch out for it, because with the CPI news and everything, more drop is to come on this USD index, or on our USD. So once that drop comes out on USD or our DXY, then we expect Euro to USD give us a bullish move. And you can see it, we are still trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So this is still a buy, and we will now go to the 4-hour time frame. You can now see the 4-hour time frame is giving us an uptrend. So basically, we still expect more bullish move. If this 4-hour time frame is giving you an uptrend move, it won't make sense for you to go ahead and sell, right? All what you would want to do is watch out for a setup or a position where you can enter and go ahead and take your buy. So this the Euro USD, this is still a bullish move. So let's see if one more final highs to be made. Final highs that will take out this ice. If new ice can be made here on this 4-hour time frame, thereby taking out this ice, then I will believe that a continuous Euro bullish move on Euro USD is here. Then we can go ahead and go long on Euro USD, or this price might eventually give us one more drop before it actually roll up. So all we just want to have to do is watch out for a bullish move on Euro USD. So at least price should be able to take out this ice. New ice needs to be formed. Then that can now be as a confirmation that this Euro USD is now on a bullish move.